Hello, we are here today and I'm going to show you how to pot up a rhododendron. So these are our cuttings from this year. So these were put in about June, July-ish, and these are now all fully rooted and need to be potted up. So what you do is you grab your tray, and you need to be really careful because the roots of these rhodos are really delicate. So this is Rhododendron formosum. So what you do is literally you poke the bottom and they should just pop out. If it doesn't, you can get like a stick or a pen and just pop the bottom of them. You can see all the roots on the bottom have gone through. And we'll just squeeze him out. So there you go. There you've got your cutting, which is fully rooted. So you get a pot full of some substrate, and you need to make a little hole in it like this. You can also, I'll show you another technique in a minute, but then you just pop him in, and I shake it and just gently press it down. And then that is ready to be popped in a tray and kept. We keep these in the glass house because they're scented. All our scented rhodos are kept in the glass house. Another way you could do it is if you grab your cutting, your rooted cutting, and you hold it and you put the soil around. This is if the roots are seeming really delicate, or you just need to not compact it so much. Exactly the same, shake it, press it down, and there you go, you have another ready. And then I just thought I'd show you, this is from last year, this is last year's cuttings, and this is the year before that. So this is the 1 year, 2 year and 3 year, and you'll see how much growth you get.